Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's episode, today's video, you will learn what data modeling is. You understand what data modeling is in Excel, how to model your data in Excel, right? So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to get our data. You come to this data here, then you come here, get data. You can get your data from different source. So from file, it also gives you different formats, right? So I am getting the the data set we're working on from Excel format. So I'll just click here from Excel. So I'll come here. So working on the chocolate sales data set. In this video, we are working on the chocolate sales data set. And this chocolate sales data set contains five different tables, and these tables contains the location, the main date, the products, the sales table, and the sales rep, right? So before we continue, I want to explain. You can see two different um, icons, right? By the left hand side, you have the ones with the blue and the ones without the blue header, right? This one with the blue header is the table. It represents table, while this one without the blue represents sheet. So in this video, we're working with the tables data set. Yeah. So I'll just check on all of this table that I need, all of the tables, the five tables we'll be working on, right? So I just come here, click on transform. So now the reason why we're taking this to a Power Query editor, right? You need to also check if your data is clean. This data set is clean, or if your data set is not clean, you would want to do a proper data cleaning, right? Before you can analyze your data. So what data modeling does is it helps you to link these tables together for them to communicate, right? It will link these tables together for better communication. That's what this will do. So now our data is in Power Query Editor. So now you can see this location contains just three columns: the geographic, the region, and the geographic ID, right? And they are well cleaned, valid, right? Then you can also check the calendar. It has the calendar date, the month number, the month name, the year, the week number, and the week name. We also have our product that contains the product name, the category, the cost per box, then the product ID. Then we have the sales table, which is our fact table in this data set. We have the sales ID, we have the salesperson ID, the product ID, the geographic ID, the sales date, the amount. We have the boxes and the order status, right? Then we have another of our dimension table, which is our sales rep table, the salesperson, the team, and the salesperson ID, right? If you notice, you will see most of this other table ID in this sales table, right? They are foreign key in this sales table because this is our what fact table, while these other ones, these remaining four tables, are our dimension table, right? You want to make more research on fact and dimension table because you need to know that when you want to model your data set. So now we bring back this data back into our Power Query, into our Power Excel workbook. Sorry, it's our Excel workbook, right? So it's loading, loading. So as you can see, we have queries and connections, right? Queries and connection. So here, over here, when you click on your connection, you have zero connection. That means these tables are not connected to each other. There is no data modeling. Data modeling has been, or no relationship is active yet. No data modeling has been carried out in this table, right? So now we're using our sales table. So now before we make our um before going to our data modeling, let's see if you can analyze anything with this data. Right, you come to your inserts, right, click on from sales table. You might want it, choose where you want your pivot table to be placed, whether a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. So I'm choosing a new worksheet. So I just come here, new worksheet, right? So as you can see, you can only see the sales information concerning the sales table in here, right? Other tables are not here. And that's not what we want. What we want is we want to have all the whole tables in here so that we'll be able to communicate with those tables. We want to see the sales person that is making more profit or the sales team that is making more sales. We want to see the country that is generating more revenue. We want to also see the product that is also making more sales or more revenue. So now what we want to do now is we'll come here, hit our data, come here, then click on this. You can see data model. You click on this data model. You come here. You can see data model 3D map, then relationship. This is what we want to do. Relationship. We want to create the relationship between tables, right, from different tables. So all you just need to do is click on relationship. So now we have, I showed you we have no connection yet. So now we want to connect the tables together. So all you just need to do is you can do auto detect or new. So in this video I'm showing you new, so how we can do it from by ourselves. So we click on new. So what is the table? Our facts table is our sales table. Remember I said that you want to know more about facts table and sales table. So what table are we relating it to? What table are we connecting with the sales table? Location, then location. What's the primary key for the location ID is GID. On this sales table, what is the foreign key is GID, right? So now the kind of relationship we're creating in this data is a many to one relationship, right? Many to one relationship. So when you've done this, you click on OK, right? So we've linked our sales table with our location table. Now I'm doing the other one. New, come to sales, then you come here, okay, main dates, right? Was the primary key on main date is dates, that's calendar date. On this table is a foreign key which will have the sales date. Then you just click them together. So click on OK. You can see it's also active. So we'll do for the remaining ones. Sales. What table are we linking next? Our product table. You come here. Was our product table primary key PID, and the foreign key here on the sales table. So you hit OK. Can see, so we have three tables. So we're linking the last one, which is the sales rep table, with the sales table. Click on your sales rep. So what's the sales rep ID, premier key, SPID. So on this sales table there's a foreign key, there's a foreign key name, also SPID. So you hit on OK. Okay, so you see we've linked them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 are all connected to the sales table and they are all active, right? So you click close. Okay, you close the table, you close that, right? So let's come back to, so I want to create sales another pivot. So I come here, come to sales table, which is a fact table. You come here, inserts, pivot. So now you can see before we have just these two options, but now we have three options. So where are we getting our pivots from, right? You come to from data model. So you just hit on data model, new worksheet, yes. So I'll just delete this one we had before because we don't need it. Yes, delete permanently. So as you can see, okay, let me see. So as you can see, is different from what we had before. I wouldn't have deleted on them from the one we had before, right? Let me see, I've deleted it permanently. Okay, so as you can see, in the first instance, when I pivoted the table, we have just only this sales information, right? All the sales column was just appeared. But now we have all our tables in one place, right? So now we can now say, okay, let's check our product category or our product name, product by sales. So you drag this to your values. You can see. So let me format this. All right, let me just highlight it. Just format it. Dollar. You put your comma. So as you can see, you can also do this. Let me copy this. You can also check the country that is generating revenue, more revenue. You come here, you remove this, come to your location. You can see, so this is how to model your tables together in Excel. So thank you everyone. Please like and comment, share if this video is useful to you. Then also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.